Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus and trigonometry. So now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, I need to prove about this one in here. To do about this one, I will use about this one. So we need to divide both sides by cotx on numerator and denominator. So we know that 1 over cosine x, that is about secant of x. Similar for this one. Cosine x divided by cosine x, you got about number 1. And this is the first one. Now let's go to the second one in here. So for this one, I need to multiply by secant of x minus 1 on numerator and denominator. So we know that this one we have secant of x minus 1 to the power of 2. This one we have secant of x squared minus 1. So we know that secant of x squared minus 1 we have tan x squared. Because we have the power 2 and the power 2 in here, so we can put like this. So secant of x, that's about 1 over cosine x. Tan x, that's about sine x over cosine x. So if we simplify 1 over cosine x with cosine x, we simplify and we got about 1 over sine x. 1 divided by sine x over cosine x, we have cosine x over sine x. This one we have cosecant of x. This one we have cotan x. Because we have the power 2 in here, this is about even power. We can swap cotan x and cosecant of x. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.